Hey guys, I'm Annie.
I'm Gracie.
And today we're going to be going through the parade of homes. This is house number 30 and it's built by Splitrock, so let's go see it. Okay, you always have to take your shoes off and make sure you're wearing socks. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And we're gonna put them in a bag.
Thank you.
Wow, this is so pretty.
So cute.
I love the view of the lake.
I know, me
That
too.
is so cool.
So normally when you walk through a parade home, they have a flow and they usher you where to go. So first we're gonna start upstairs.
I love this glass and the stairs. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, there's so many people here, but
So busy.
we're just gonna keep walking through. I love that chandelier.
It's
the glass
so pretty.
Is so pretty. Wow. That'd be so nice to just chill out and read a book.
Yeah.
Every time I come in a room, I always just look at the bed, and the bedding's so beautiful. And I love the lamps and just the lighting in this room. Here's another pretty deck. I like how there's a hot tub and a TV.
The hot tub's so big.
It's so pretty. Whoa.
I love that big window. It's so pretty.
I feel like right when I walk in this room, I instantly goes to the big lagoon. It's so pretty and blue. I just want to drink the water. This laundry room is so cozy. I love that.
I love the tile.
Wow. This would be so fun with like all the girls and just having like a big
Yes.
sleepover. I love
It'd
how
be the best.
all these houses have like big bunk rooms. That's so fun.
The 3 sinks and 3 mirrors.
And the 2 showers. Oh
So
my gosh.
nice.
You could like get ready all together. That's so fun. Now we're gonna head downstairs. There's so many people here.
It's so busy.
Oh my god.
This gym is amazing.
I would die to work out in here. I could work out for so long.
Me too.
I would like actually be consistent and work out. Oh my gosh.
The cold plunge and the sauna.
That is so cool and so fun. I love how open this room is, but it also feels so cozy. Another bunk room? Wow. I like this one. This is so pretty. I
Get
love,
ready.
like, all the lighting. Like there's no windows, but it feels like it's bright in here and warm. Look at that. All the shower hooks. Like 3 towels. Whoa.
This is so cool.
This is so fun. I like how it's a little darker in here. It gives you more like the
More
cool,
moody.
yeah, and like gamer vibes. Wow, I love the kitchen.
Kitchen's so
Hi.
pretty.
Good, how are you?
The island, I like how it's dark.
Love. And then I like the wood. It like lightens it up.
And the gold.
And this, like, I don't, what do you call it? Like the ridges?
Yeah, the texture.
I love the texture of that.
So nice.
This is one of the builders. What's your name?
Braxton with Splitrock Homes.
What was the hardest thing to build about this house?
The hardest thing? Nothing really hard. It was fun building this house. I like the custom. It's been fun.
What's your favorite part?
Honestly, probably this stairwell. I
So
love this
pretty.
stairwell.
Love it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow. I love the lighting in here.
Me too. Look at the little waterfall.
I love the bed.
Me too. And the chairs at the end of the bed
I
too.
love the bedding, like the green and the pillows. The colors are
perfect.
so cute.
The bathroom.
Oh my gosh. I love the lighting in here.
The bathtub.
And I like how there's 3 mirrors.
Me
And
too.
there's just like 2
2
sinks.
sinks.
Tile is so cute.
I love it. And the bathtub.
That looks so nice.
It does.
You
Just
go
so-
out there in a
so-
robe and read a book. Wow, that was amazing.
That house was so cute.
I love that. I could totally live there
Me too.
if I had the money, but. So we just finished walking through this home, and oh my gosh, I could walk through it so many more times. But now we're gonna ask people and see what they think about it.
Hi, what's your name and what was your favorite part of this home?
My name's Hagen. My favorite part of the home was probably the basement.
Basement was
It's awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What's your name and what was your favorite room in the house?
My name is Holly, and probably the basement, but specifically the game room. I thought that was pretty cool.
Yeah, that was so fun. There's so many like games and things to
You
play.
can put your kids down there and not see them for the whole weekend.
Yes, exactly. It's so fun. What are your guys' names and what are your favorite parts of the house?
I'm Austin. I really like the kitchen area. I thought it was pretty wide open, and I really like those countertops.
So pretty.
My name's Bryn, and I really loved the color palette that they went with, like the cream and taupes were probably my favorite.
Yeah, so pretty. Such a pretty house. Thank you guys.
Well, it looks like a ton of people really liked the homes, but if you missed us this year, come check us out next year. Bye, guys.
Bye.